Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a class in Google Classroom and assigning a clear name. This makes navigation simple. Once done, set sections and grade levels so assignments auto-organize, and upload a syllabus and welcome post to the class stream. Make sure to create a weekly folder structure in Google Drive. This keeps materials tidy. You should invite students or their guardians with the class code and enable guardian summaries for progress updates. Doing this first saves time later. Now focus on building assignments and the grading workflow. Use topics to group lessons like math and reading so students find content fast. When you create an assignment, attach Drive resources, set a rubric, and add a clear due date. This makes grading consistent. Once assignments are ready, schedule posts ahead to map your term, and reuse prior class materials to save prep time. Make sure to set grading categories so you can track standards-aligned progress. To finish, establish communication and grading routines. Use private comments for student feedback and enable guardian summaries so parents stay informed. Grade directly in Classroom or export grades to sheets for records, and return work promptly to maintain momentum. Once done, run a quick check. Verify student access, folder permissions, and Drive sync. If something fails, revoke and re-invite access or clear browser cache, then test again. This final pass keeps your homeschool classroom running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.